Okay, now we are ready to open class for student to register. Yeah. However, before we can start open class, it is best that we first do two more settings. First setting is the system calendar. Now we enter to the system calendar module. If you need to go for 2000 the next year, you can just click here. Okay, then system will create a calendar for you, and we can come back to here. Okay. In the calendar setting, we need to tell the system that when is a holiday. For example, for Indonesia, typical holiday is a 17 August. Yeah, 17 August. So in this, I locate this 17 August date, then I give a holiday indication, which is a yes. And then the next one indication is the December 25th, which is the Christmas holiday. Yeah, Christmas holiday. So I say it's a yes. So when you set yes in this calendar, when system do the planning in the holiday, it will skip the holiday. It will skip the holiday. So this is the first setting for the calendar. Now the second setting is the name of the lecturer setting. Yeah. It's best that we enter the lecturer name before we can enter in here. So we exit from this module now. We enter to the setup module and we go to the staff module. In here, we can enter all our lecturer name. For example, I enter a new lecturer name at record yes. First lecturer number is 100 and then the name of the lecturer is Holly Ping. Okay, insert. Yeah, left click to insert, right click to cancel. Insert, that's the first lecturer, and then insert another one, 101, which is Tan Tek Seng. Yeah, Tan Tek Seng. Left click to insert, and then I'm going to insert one more. So I have 3 lecturers to select when I open class. Yeah, the last one will be 102. Okay, 81. Okay, insert. So we enter all our lecturer list in here. So when we open class, we can select the name of the lecturer from this list. So I exit from now. Exit. I go back to the class module. Now I'm ready to open a class in this particular class module. To open a class, yeah, it's almost same as open a course. Yeah. So we just click the new in here, add record yes, and then we can select a number of unit that was created from the master course module. Yeah. In here, for example, I'm going to select this English 101. I select. So after I select from the English 101, the basic information already filled in by the system. We can just click insert in here to complete the insert first. Yeah. Other information we can amend later. So now I'm going to left click this insert. Yeah. Left click to insert, right click to cancel. Left click insert. So our class is opened for this English 101. For this English 101. Now, to amend other information, we need to click this edit in here. Left click the edit. We need to start fill in the SOC date. SOC means start of course. Yeah. So to select from the calendar, we just left click this SOC text. Left click. Then the system will enter to the calendar module that we can select when is the SOC date. So I'm going to select the SOC date on this 23rd of May. I select. And then the timing. The timing system provide a list of timing for us to choose. Just left click this timing text, and there's a timing text list show in here. If the timing we want is not in here, we can add in here. Yeah. So for future selection, in here I'm going to add one. So I'm at 7 o'clock, 07:00 until 09:00. So it's a morning 7 o'clock classes. So I'm going to select this particular class. And the day, what day that we have the class of this English 101. Again, now we can click the text on date in here, we can select whichever day. So this one is 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If the date we want is not listed in here, we can create in here. Same thing. Just create new and type in the text we want to put in for future reference. So in here I select the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and up to here we already put in all this information. As EOC date, we do not need to put in. All we need to do, just click this set particular button, left click the set, and system will do his own scheduling skip all the holiday that we have told to the system. So system will do scheduling, and we exit from this class schedule module, and the system will automatically fill in the EOC date. As for the lecturer, yeah, we come to this lecturer material page. System already fill in Miss Tan, which carry forward from the course module. If however that it happen to be this particular class is not taught by Miss Tan, we can change the lecturer by left click this lecturer text in here, and system allow us to change from our staff. For example, this particular class is taught by Tan Dek Sing, so we can put it in here. And if for example supervisor or assistant or other information we want to put in, we can put in. So it is as for the lecturer. And the last part will be to set the assignment setting. Just left click this set button, and system will carry forward from the course master course material, which first assignment is 40%, second assignment is 60%, same as for the test, same as for the test. So we just left click this set button in here, and the test is set up for this particular class. And then up to here we have complete open class for this English 101, and this class is ready for students to perform registrations. To complete our setting, just save this particular information. Now I'm going to quickly show another example on how to open a new class here. To open a new class, just left click this new and answer yes, and then we select the unit we want to open in here. I select Bahasa, I select, and then I insert, left click, and the class is created for this particular Bahasa class. Now as for other informations, now I start amend other information by edit, and then I enter into the calendar module by left click this SOC date. I select the date that when the start of course of this particular class, so it's the same as May 23rd. I select, and the timing will be 9 to 11, for example, in here. And the day I select, same thing, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then I set the EOC date by click this scheduling setting button. Yeah, the system will automatically create the EOC date after we enter to this class schedule setup, and then when we exit, system will automatically fill out for this. Now as for the lecturer, I need to select this one is not Mr. Udin, is Irwan who teach this class, so I select E1, and then last two part will be set the assignment. Yeah, set the assignment for this particular class, and then set the test for this particular class. After we done all this, we come back to general information, we save, done. Bahasa Indonesia is open for registration. Okay, the next example I want to talk about is to open a class that is ad hoc class. Ad hoc class means that our class did not come from our master course. It's just a cowboy class that we open immediately for people registrations. To do that, all we need to do is just to click this new, left click, answer yes, and we do not select from our course unit list. Just exit. Okay, for this type of class, all we need to enter is a unit name. For example, I call it training, and then the descriptions, and then if there's any fee for this class, we enter into here. If there's none, then we just bypass. And the capacity need to enter. This one is needed for people to register. You need to fill in a big capacity for people to enter. For example, I just in 100, so mean that this particular special class can be enrolled by 100 students. After this, that's it, we just insert. Insert and answer yes, and this particular class do not have any SOC timing or schedule or lecturer or any other thing like that. Just the unit, the descriptions, and the capacity, insert, done, and this particular cowboy class is done. Okay, for the demonstration purpose, I will create two more class in here. Two more regular class in here for demonstration purpose. And up to this point, we has completed this particular step A. This particular step is already completed, so we now can move on to 1B. I exit from here.